What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video on this channel. So as you know me, I'm your boy Gabbyproscra. Today I've decided to make for you this loop in front of us here. As you can hear, Azawi and Vinka, they have been dropping some new music from Swangs Avenue recently. Vinka has dropped a new song called Lalala. For people who has heard it, it's so soulful and groovy and dancehall. But I decided to make something in their style of Swangs Avenue. I decided to make this one in the style of Vinka. Not to waste so much time, I will play it, then after I will show you what I've done to come up with something like that. So then in the end of this video, you'll be able to make the one you want. So not to waste so much time, let me play this loop here and after I'll break it down for you. As you can hear that loop, it sounds in the style of Vinka and it's so soulful. Let me show you how I did this. The first thing I did, I played the sound from Power Filter. It's called Distant Movement. I played some simple chord here. It sounded like this. So then the second thing I added, I laid the same chord with a sound from Muffin. This sound is a keyboard called Shiny Tiny. It sounded like this. So I went and added another sound from a plugin called Power Filter, same company but a different one. I played something like a guitar. If you're a Travis Scott fan, if you listen to Travis Scott like using this kind of stuff, his music. I'm a Travis Scott fan. And then I played all piano, just touched it simple like this. So then I came and played a jazz guitar from Flex, like this. I went and played some synth strings from Flex. It sounded like this. Even that one, Travis Scott sound simple like that. So then I added a flute to add some sauce on it. Then I played the bass I doubled it and I played around with the velocity. If you watched one of my videos before, you already know how to play with your velocity to make them sound okay. So it sounded like this. So then after that, I went and played a steel guitar from Flex. Now I played the last one was the vocals that I had a as you can hear, the vocal had some sauce on it to make it sound more nice. If you hear in the middle of that song, you hear that they played the guitars in the middle. So this is how I did mine. This is how I played the guitar. From Flex. So if you hear the other song, it's kind of similar to it. I added the piano to support that guitar, not to go along this. You hear that there's another guitar they played in the middle. At the end, they played something like a piano, the closing piano. Mine was here like this. So now that was more about the loop. Let's play the loop one more time, then I can start showing you the drums.
Oh Lord, Gabbyproscra on this beat.
Let's get straight to showing you how I created the drums. Just simple at 83 BPM is so really so you have to be careful how you put it, not all over it. So that was how it was simple. After that, I added this snare from a reggaeton drum kit. Then I added another one. I laid just the same. Then I added a clap in the middle, some snaps just to add some sauce into it. After that, I added one more rhythm, then I added the kick. Then all of it was sounding like this. So the kick is hitting just 4 times as a usual way. So then I added some fills and clap and crash. They all sounded like this. Not to waste so much time, let's play the full beat and you hear. you want to listen to the full beat, I will leave a link in the description where you can find the channel where I've been uploading all these beats. If you have liked it, make sure you subscribe, like. If you want more videos like this, leave a comment in the video which artist you would like me to show you how to make a type beat next. And see you on the next video. Peace.